Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my pig researcher. I show you today the pig farm build may complete 90%. Here put window for fan and here door. This is the top, the for pig water put, and here pallet and ground, and put here cylinder for put the pig foot here. See, after this is the all installed here, and now 10% I put the electricians fit the bulb and installs electricity light. See here passes. This is room pig. This is all new wood. This is put the concrete here ground and put inside other side in the cylinder in around put the tile. See, very big. I think 30 rooms here. One room 35 pig put. See here. See here. This is the pig. I think 1 month all finish, maybe finish. I think today leave here no work. That's why I make video here for your my friends. You see here in the roof. This is all new wood. See. Okay, thank you so much watching this video. I show you another video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.